In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 game stuttering. If your games feel choppy or hitch unexpectedly, two quick Windows settings often make a big difference. Matching your display to its highest refresh rate and turning on game mode. These tweaks help your screen draw frames as smoothly as possible and let Windows prioritize game performance behind the scenes. Start by opening the Windows settings. Press Windows+I on your keyboard to bring it up. In the left sidebar, click System, then select Display. Here, scroll down and choose Advanced Display. If you use more than one monitor, make sure you've selected the screen you actually play on from the Choose a Display menu at the top. Look for the Refresh Rate drop-down. Set this to the highest value available for your display. You might see options like 60, 120, 144, or even 240 Hz. A higher number means your screen updates more times per second, which can reduce judder and make motion look much smoother, especially in fast-paced games. After you select the highest option, your screen may flicker for a moment while Windows applies the change. That's normal. If you don't see a higher refresh rate listed, your monitor, cable, or port may be limited to a lower maximum. Some HDMI or USB-C connections, for example, only support certain refresh rates at specific resolutions. In that case, pick the top option you do have and continue. The goal is simply to avoid running your monitor below its capabilities. Next, let's make sure Windows is prioritizing your game. Press Windows+I again to reopen settings if you closed it. In the left sidebar, click Gaming, then select Game Mode. Turn Game Mode on. With Game Mode enabled, Windows reduces background activity, schedules resources more efficiently, and helps your system focus on the game in the foreground. It doesn't magically increase your graphics power, but it can smooth out those little stutters caused by background tasks competing for CPU and disk access. It's a set-and-forget switch, and it works system-wide for any game you launch. At this point, you've aligned your display with its best refresh rate and told Windows to prioritize gameplay. Try launching your game and see how it feels. Changes to refresh rate and game mode take effect immediately, but if a title was already running, it may respond better after you return to the main menu or relaunch it. That's all you need to do. These quick adjustments provide a cleaner baseline for smooth play on Windows 11 and can noticeably reduce stuttering without adding complexity.